So this video is to show how to map splits. Splits are a difficult topic, but the converter tries to help you as much as possible to allow you to create transaction with more than one split. So usually transaction without split, it would be all amount goes to specific category and that's it. And not all formats support split, but all converters, ProperSoft converters, support splits. So how it is done? So this tutorial is applicable to all CSV2 converters and to all Bank2 converters, and they all work same way, either Macintosh or Windows, and either it's the format to which you convert supports splits or not. And so let's say in our case we see that we have Bank to Cubo converter, and Cubo format does not support splits. So what you're gonna do with if you have splits, where you're gonna put them? Let's say you have a PayPal file and you have gross and fee and net column, so you have two splits an amount, and in this case would be net would be amount, split 1 would be gross, and split 2 would be fee. And some users are okay if you to have splits separated into separate transactions. So instead of creating transaction with multiple splits, if the format you convert into does not allow splits, you could create separate transactions. And for your purposes, if it works for you, then it's fine. If it doesn't work for you, then you have to use different format that supports splits. And regardless, converter will work in either case. So in this case, we have a CSV file that has amount column, split 1, split 2, split category 1, split category 2. And if you don't have split category columns, then name of this split column will be used as category name for all transactions. And if you do have split category column, then name provided for each transaction will be used as split category. And so in this case, if you name splits as in this example, which is split 1, split 2, split 3, so on for amounts, and split category 1, split category 2, split category 3 for category columns, the converter will map this automatically. As you can see, this is auto mapping, there is no mapping applied, and splits are recognized versus splits. This is how splits look like, that office supplies 11 and tax $34, utilities 55 and fee $5. So how to, if you don't have those names but you don't want to edit split file, how would you do that? You have to click review mapping, you have to set number of splits here, and you have to select column which are responsible for split amounts and split categories, and that's it. And then once you save the mapping, make sure to verify the splits column that all splits are parsed correctly. Thank you.